Hello and welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to talk about resetting the registry for SolidWorks Electrical. It's a very common thing to do for the SolidWorks CAD side to fix minor errors that are happening within the software, and the same thing can be done for SolidWorks Electrical. So if you have local administrative rights and are comfortable using the registry editor, then you can perform this. First thing we'll have to do is close SolidWorks Electrical and then open up the regedit tool and run as administrator. Within the registry editor, we have to go underneath the H key, current user, software, and then we want to find the key for trace software. We can right-click this, go to rename, and rename it like something such as trace software old to save it as a backup. Now we'll minimize the registry editor and we'll reopen SolidWorks Electrical. It should be opening just like it did when you first installed it. If we do a refresh within the registry editor, we should see a new trace software key created. If we have to revert back to our previous key we created, we'll first have to close SolidWorks Electrical, go into the registry editor, and delete the newly made trace software folder, and then rename the old one trace software _old in this case to just trace software.